Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Check out this beauty. This morning I have a treat for you guys. I'm going to be taking you through a custom Heartland cape, okay? And today I'm actually at Future Homes, and they have 3 locations up and down the east coast of North Carolina. Today I'm at their Hubert location. The Heartland Cape plan is always going to consist of an optional site-built front porch, so we're going to have the discussion on how big or small this front porch is. Obviously they went with the beautiful wraparound today. You are seeing a big turn gable up there with a double window. You got the crow feet accent up there up top. You got that shed style double dormer. I don't show you guys a ton of the shed style dormers, but there you go. This is a nationwide plan. The first level is 3-bed, 2-bath. Got that nice tall 12-12 cape there for that second story. Just a stunning exterior. So let's get in here and take a look. What's cool about this wraparound porch is it takes you around to a side loading utility room. So tons of convenience for everyday life there. Get in and out. All right. So we are now in that Heartland Cape. Nice and tall 9-foot ceilings today. You're seeing the exposed beams as well. I love the shiplap accent wall there with the sconce lighting and the floating shelves. I refer to this as kind of an entertainment wall. This is optional in any of the nationwide plans. Beautiful shiplap. Really sets it off. You've been in a ton of Heartlands with me, but you've got that familiar open concept staircase to my right there. Opening up nicely into this large dining space and huge island kitchen. Notice the optional craftsman style casing around your doors and windows today. You are seeing the black hardware package. Black knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets. Okay, beautiful optional chandelier there that is included with that black package. One thing I like about their model here in Hubert is they added this pantry cabinet there. So typically the Heartland kitchen just stops right here and you do not have that pantry cabinet there. I think that really puts a nice finishing touch on this kitchen. Got your little coffee bar area there. You are seeing those sparkly quartz countertops that you see in so many of my videos, a very popular option. Check out that range hood, beautiful. Great example of running the backsplash all the way to the ceiling. Must be the only light I forgot to turn on. Beautiful undermount farmhouse sink. It's one of our optional blue colors for your island if you're looking to do that optional island. Here's the floor plan we're walking today. So you've got 1,520 square feet on the bottom, 894 of potential space up top for a total of 2,414 total square footage here, or potential square footage. I love that triple window in the living room. Tons of natural light. All right, so enough with the main space, but before we get to the bedrooms, I just wanted to show you that Heartland pantry. You just saw the appliance shelf. I'll point that back out. You've got the 5-panel optional doors you're seeing today. The 5-panel doors. Got that easy access to that 50-gallon water heater there. This is a $150 option for any pantry. It does not have to only be for microwaves. Obviously, you can put an air fryer there or whatever, but we call it an appliance shelf. And then similar to our Stanley model, they're showing that frosted glass pantry door, which people seem to like so much. So again, 9-foot ceilings. Remember that the crown molding is not included in the Heartland series. Obviously, this particular model, they optioned it in. So we're gonna take a left off of that main space. We're gonna hit bath 2 first. Good old fiberglass tub shower combo. You are seeing an optional transom window up above that tub shower combo. Again, the black package includes optional lighting in the bathrooms, our typical white framed mirrors, Formica tops. On to bed 2. Notice the LVP flooring is ran in the spare bedrooms as well. Those 5-panel doors. And then here's that side loading or that utility room door that comes off of that porch. Great big utility room. You've got that now included shelving unit over the washer and dryer. That's a great example of our utility room sink in a base cabinet. And then there's your optional cubby bench. The way these utility rooms are headed, you can just about fit any or all of these options in these utility rooms nowadays. They're getting so big. We're going to go back across that main space here. Remember, that is one of your optional front doors in the Heartland series, okay? And then right here off of that main space is the master suite. 3 windows in here in total. Never going to lack natural light. Okay. And then to my left, I've got the master closet on the left and the master bath on the right. Let's hit this closet real quick. Good amount of storage in here. Another little nook there. Got our included shoe organizing system there. And then here's that master bath. Of course, you got your double vanity sinks, your included white framed mirrors, the big old linen cabinet on the right there. Okay, and then this is going to be another example of that optional 4x6 shower, which includes a can light, a rain head, and a wand. So the transom window and the soap box would be extra or optional. You could also run the tile to the ceiling for a little bit more cost, which you've seen in some of my recent videos. They sell a ton of this Craftsman style trim around the doors and windows. We show our green model with that style casing. Here's your second level. As you can see, they've already got it kind of framed up for bedrooms. You can really see that 12-12 roof pitch. That's what gives you that steep look, which gives you more curb appeal from the outside. So there's your double dormer, letting in additional light. Looks like they've got it set up for a few bedrooms up here. But anytime, you know, all the upstairs would be finished on site in this Heartland Cape plan. You are seeing the radiant bearing heat sheathing there, the tech shield. It's kind of like that thing you put across your dash in the summer in your car. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. This was the Heartland Cape. So if you got any questions, give me a shout. All of my information is down there in the description. All my social media links, numbers, emails, all that's there. So please give me a shout. Again, my name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington in Burlington, North Carolina. We're at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, zip code 27217. Thank you guys, take care.